basketball. You betcha I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer in the gym, ready to give you what you need to succeed, guaranteed, for the game that you love to play each and every single day. So, all I gotta say is like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And let us know how we're doing. And ask some questions. And come play some basketball. All right, so today we are going to get into our last couple of sessions where we are going to only work out one time a day. Now we're going to kick it into overdrive. We let you enjoy the summer a little bit. We let you come in, get all the regular drills in that you do normally. But now we are going to kick it into 2-a-days. Yes, some basketball players do 2-a-days. Some break it up into weightlifting. Some break it up into speed training. And then some have the second part be basketball, or vice versa. So that's what we are going to get ready to do for you, to pick it up so we can catch up to the competition. Or if you're already good, be better than the competition that's better than you. All right, basketball, let's get into the workout. We are going to start this workout with some jumping jacks, some high knees, and some lunge stretches. Okay, we're going to do all those stretches and those warm-ups to get our body moving and getting loose. Then we're going to jump right into agilities. Yes, I want to do agilities because it is important to, again, be warmed up and ready to go. So with those agility movements, we are going to go side to side with our feet over the cones. We're going to go 2 feet forward and backward. We're going to go 2 feet side to side. And then we're also going to do quick feet tapping forward and backward. Okay. Then after we do all of those agilities, we will also do some agilities over the cone. Okay. We have our W drill where we go up and down through the cones. Then we have our 1-leg hops. We have our 2-leg pogo jumps. And then we have our hurdle jumps where we knee tuck over the cones. Okay. So we're doing all of those agilities. And then the last one we are going to get into is our broad jump on 2 feet. So it's off 2, on 2. Okay. All of these sets we will be doing at around 5 times. And we will have our bodies nice and warmed up and ready to go. Okay. Then I want to work on some basic things. Okay. One of the most basic things is being able to pass the ball. So we will get that little piece of tape or a marker of some kind and mark the wall. And then we will use one hand to pass right, one hand to pass left. Then we will use both hands, and then we will move while we're passing the ball. We are going to do 4 sets of each 10 times. Okay. And that will then lead us to the infamous water break that everybody loves to enjoy. So go ahead and take that water break. No free throws needed. Now, what's important to remember here is, are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? And if not, why aren't we? Right? So again, as you continue to move through this process of getting better, which the summertime is the most important time to get better, you want to make sure you're staying in shape, not only to play easygoing games, but to play multiple games every weekend. Okay. We're going to go into our layup series to start, and then we're going to go shooting more than laying it up today. Okay. So remember, our layups is regular layup, jump stop layup, inside hand layup, reverse layup, reverse outside hand layup, Then we're going to tuck it and come across, inside hand, tuck it and come across, left hand. We're going to pick it up over the defender's hand and finish inside. Pick it up over the defender's hand and finish left. And then we will do it on the other side with the same tempo and the same pace. Okay. Then we'll look into our 3-cone shooting, where we will be shooting the basketball on the mid-range, just regular pull-ups. We'll also cross over into it. We're going to make 3 each cone. Okay. We're going to do it on the first level and the second level as well. All right. And then as far as our other mid-range, we are going to throw it on the go. We're going to catch it on the go, work on our 1 dribble pull-up. Could be 2, depending on where you want to end up in our go action. Okay. In that go action, we want to make sure we have an advantage on the defender by continuously moving and not stopping and then going again. Okay, as the ball's in the air, you're able to catch the ball and move it, which will allow you another step or two, as well as another one as you throw that basketball out to the spot you'd like to shoot it from. Okay, so remember here, not only is speed important, but being under control and balanced when getting into this type of shot. And we want to make at least 5 shots here on both sides. Okay, so really that is the key in our shooting mid-range today. And another one that I want to tap into is just our bank shot. Okay, that's one's always important. We're going to go 3 levels with that. And then after the bank shot, we will be ready to shoot the 3 ball. Yes, can't wait to see it fall. I'd like you guys to go to the free throw line, shoot 10 free throws, and make at least 70%. Now, getting to this line, we want to make sure there's a little bit of focus into the position of our feet, because we don't want our feet leading our arm in a different direction. That was something I saw this week that I wanted to tap into and touch on with you guys. Okay, make sure the direction of your feet are pointing the way you want for it to go into the basket. Okay, now getting into the last part of the workout, we're going to shoot 3s on the perimeter. First is going to be all around the world. Okay, so we're going to shoot all the way to the end and then come all the way back when shooting this drill. Then, and I want you to make roughly 15 in both sequences. And then we're going to shoot 3s off the dribble. Okay, remember, you're going right hand, right side, left hand, right side. Same thing in the middle, and then same thing on the left wing. Okay, and then to get our baseline 3s in, we want to work our 4-spot shooting, where we're shooting on the baseline 3s and the wing 3s. Now, these wing 3s are important because of the way the footwork is going to be when running and getting your rebound to make your 4 shots in each spot. Okay. Now, lastly, what we want to look at when shooting is, can we score on all 3 levels? Okay. And it's important to be able to hit the layup, be able to hit a mid-range, and also be able to hit the 3. So now we will do this last drill, and it will be the 3-level drill. With the 3-level drill, we will do this 3 times, and we will do it on the right side, and we will do it on the left side. The biggest thing in this drill is to make sure you compete. All right? Compete with yourself, and everything else will follow as we try to continue to make shots. All right? And then it's extra work time. Oh yeah, that's right, basketball. You thought I was gonna leave and not give you no extra work? That's crazy. The extra work today will be our star drill. Okay, we're gonna go mid-range 2 times. You gotta make the free throw or you gotta do it again. And then we're gonna go star drill from the 3-point line, which you also have to make 2 times. And again, that is extra work. Choose wisely on whether you would like to do it or not. But at the end of the day, that extra work is going to benefit you. So please take advantage of it. And again, as the daily trainer, I'm here for you. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Anything below, especially let us know how we're doing, and we will get back to you if you have any questions. And I need you to also remember this: someone's always working. Are you?